Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Gmail application. So guys, let's just open our Gmail application on our phone. Then if you want to create a group chat, the first thing you have to do is clicking on this button guys. Tap on this button, but if this button hasn't appeared on your Gmail, you have to activate the chat feature on Gmail. And right after you activate the chat feature, this button will appear on your Gmail and you have to tap on it. Then we can simply tap on a create space. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and we can tap on a new space right here and click on a create a space. This one, create a space, and you can name your group chat right here. For example, I'm going to name it this one. You can also put description for your group chat, but it's optional, so you can skip this step. Then you can click on next and add people to your group chat, and I'm going to add this one, and you can search people right here, and I'm going to add this account. Okay, once you're done adding people, you can tap on done and your group chat in Gmail will be created automatically. Okay, and this is the group chat guys. We can start chatting on this group chat. And alright guys, that's how we can create a group chat in Gmail. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.